Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Ford Focus XR5 hatch, stock reference number 4376. This shape runs from the second month 2006 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the roof. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, XR5 type, left headlight, left fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alley mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover, twin exhaust type, suit XR5. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth Recaro seats. Black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left hand sun visor in black, right hand sun visor in black, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.